So in my opinion, the main best niches on YouTube are as follows: health, wealth, happiness, relationships, travel, and technology. Now you might be asking, Matt, why are these the best niches on YouTube? Don't I see other niches that are getting millions upon millions of views as well? Well, in my opinion, these are the best niches on YouTube, not only because there's a ton of demand, but also because they meet some very specific criteria that I give. And number one is that they have videos going up consistently, getting over 100,000 views. This, first of all, just proves that there's demand. You might be saying, Matt, what about all those other channels? Don't they have demand too? Yes, they do, but a lot of those other niches don't meet some of these next criteria I'm gonna go over. And criteria number two is having a decent to high CPM. And this simply means that you make more money on average per 1,000 views as a lot of other niches on YouTube, and this is coming from ad revenue. And this is really nice because even if you don't get a ton of views, you can potentially still make a lot of money. And then finally, the third criteria for choosing the best niches is having alternative monetization sources. This means you can make money through multiple different ways and you're not just reliant on ad revenue. And where I personally make most of my money is from alternative monetization sources. Now you might be asking, Matt, what are these sources? Well, these include affiliate marketing and selling digital products, which could be courses, ebooks, and other things. And the amazing thing about the niches that I just went over is that they meet all three of those criteria. Now you might be saying, Matt, that's fantastic, but aren't there a bunch of subcategories within those big overall niches? And that's a great question, and the answer to that is yes, there are. And I would actually recommend sticking mainly to a subcategory and being specific with your channel for a few key reasons. Number one, when a video takes off, it'll feed all the other videos on your channel because people are gonna check out your channel. If they see related videos, they're gonna watch those too. Number two, you're gonna have a higher view to subscriber ratio. And number three, you're going to be able to implement my number one secret for getting views and subscribers that I've hardly ever shared about online.